Hello, my name is Giselle and welcome to Music Foundation Level 2. Today I will be going over A minor natural scale. So you're going to look for the A, which is between the three black keys here. We're going to start with our first three fingers, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. So with our first three fingers, you're going to play our thumb to A, second finger on B, third finger on C. The thumb's going to go under to D, second finger on E, F, third finger, fourth finger on G, and your pinky on A. Descending, we're going to start with our pinky, fourth finger on G, third finger on F, second finger on E, thumb on D. Our third finger is going to cross over down to C, second finger to B, and our thumb on A. And what you learned in our prior story, what makes up a minor natural scale? A to B is a whole, B to C is a half, C to D is a whole, D to E is a whole, E to F is a half, F to G is a whole, and G to A is a whole. That would be all for today. Please subscribe and have a great day.